Well, after doing all the maintenance, changing all the fluids, and running the seat foam through the engine of Sin City KK, I found what I needed to find, and one of the very common problems of the lifters going bad started ticking, so I'm going to replace the whole right bank today. I know there's other videos on YouTube that explain this, but I'll do a once through. Took the air filter box out, taking the valve cover off, and that back bolt down back in that corner right there is tricky. You're going to need a real slim head ratcheting wrench like this, or a 1/4 inch drive on a knuckle to get that bitch off. Pop the retaining plastic things that go on the valve cover bolts off, and I pulled the heater hoses off to the side. Should be a piece of cake from here. I'll update you as I go. Continuing on, got the valve cover off. Now time to inspect all the rockers and lifters, or valve laster adjusters as you want to call them. But nothing evident right now, nothing's loose. So I will spin the crankshaft around until I find the loose one, but I'm going to replace them all on this bank anyway. Okay, back at it, pulling the lifters out. I just did the first two, forgot to turn the camera on, but just pop the next one out using a telescoping magnet. Pull the lifter out using a cutout milk jug to hold my oil. Got the lifters soaking. Grab one with the magnet, easy peasy. Fill the lifter back in. Slide it right back in. Gonna line the rocker up. This one goes in from the top. Get her lined up. And then we're gonna pop it back on, and this is a two-hand job, but see if I can get it on holding the camera. No, I'm gonna need my other hand, but simple as that. Use a bent 10mm, or I have a door panel screwdriver here, and you just pry it forward, it'll pop right back in. Well, sorry, I only filmed the one, but as you can see, all back together. Pretty easy. 6 on this side. I think I had them back in less than 30 minutes, not even. I had to rotate the engine a couple times to keep these lobes from not pushing down on the valves. Easier to get out. Anyway, new gaskets. Valve covers going back on. Haven't decided if I'm doing the left side yet because it's a pain in the ass.